So we came to this homeowner's house today and did a little shed for him. We did the double wide for this homeowner probably about a year and a half ago, and they called us back out here to take care of the shed that you see behind us. It's built off of the side of the house, but we made it work, and it has a low pitch, but it'll be able to shed water just fine. I'll show you guys what we did. All right, so here's a shed, or it's not even a shed, it's a it's a porch. Excuse me. All right, like I said, this install came with a full trim package. We got new 2x2 angle drip edge sitting flush against the fascia board. We have our metals coming past the drip edge about 2 inches. Also included, we put rake trim on here with thin closed ends, by the way. We've made sure to fold these ends back nice and good, so that way they look really clean and sharp. You won't be able to see up in there. But yeah, we'll move on. So right here we have a transition where we had a pitch change. One of the panels is running this way, and then we had 2 panels that were running this way. So what we did was we took a piece of flat stock and we overlapped 2 ribs. That'll never leak. Checking out the panels here. This is our lifetime colony green provided by K&R Metals. This paint system has a lifetime warranty offered by the manufacturer. Also thicker steel in the panel as well. So a very solid panel. What we did is we tied in with some in-wall flashing to go back in behind the siding here. If you guys pay attention in the speed run install that we showed, apologize, our battery died, but we had to charge it. But we did tuck the paper behind the sidewall, so there's 0 chance any water will ever get back behind here inside the house. Even though it is a low pitch, I have no worries and 100% confidence in this Porch's new roof. But I'll show you guys over here the double wide, which is the main portion of the house. It's colony green as well. Here you guys can see the rake trim on the house. This is a 26 gauge galvalume steel alloy. It's actually a harder alloy than the panels themselves because it is a 26 gauge. Right here we have a valley. This is called a W valley. The water comes down, it'll hit that W and break and channel right on off the roof. This double wide had 2 dormers on it. I remember this one. This one was a fun one to do. There was a few rotten spots of wood in here on this roof. It is an overlay onto existing shingles. I think we replaced the rotten section all up in this area. There was 1 rotten piece down here. We replaced it. If I remember correctly, there was a whole bunch of wood over here on the, and normally the valleys tend to leak at the bottom a lot on the shingle roof, just because you have so much water that's coming off of these dormers and it just channels straight down in a V. A lot of times the valleys will be the first things to start to leak on a shingle roof. The great thing is this is a metal roof. This homeowner has a 20-year craftsmanship defect warranty from me. meaning no matter what, in any situation, excluding, you know, an act of divine will comes through and rips it all off, we would fix any problems that happened in this house. This is just one of the many roofs that we've done. I encourage you guys to check out our Facebook page if you haven't already, to see a lot of the other ones that we've done. A plus side to this roof is the homeowner had built a flat roof before we had came here. He tried to put shingles on it, if I'm not mistaken, and it's just such a low pitch that they just blow off and the water gets underneath and rots the wood, but that's no problem. We ended up installing a EPDM rubber roof on this portion with the rubber backed up a good portion underneath the metal. It'll never leak. These EPDM roofs are made for flat roofing applications with anything below a 3/12 pitch. We have a termination bar out here terminating the outside of the rubber to the fascia board all the way around. But yeah, guys, that's it. Pool looks nice. I kind of want to jump in it, to be honest. Thank you for joining the video. I really don't have much more to show you guys. I appreciate y'all tuning in, and hopefully I could teach you guys something that you didn't already know about a metal roof. But if you have any more questions, anything I can answer for you guys, please drop a comment down below. I'll be glad to answer them for you. Thank you guys. Have a good day.